or welcome if you're new here on today. I'm in my Priceless Pearl Life kitchen cooking up something hearty, rich, full of flavor. I know you want to see what I'm cooking, so you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. So I have some beef roast, some celery, all-purpose flour, some carrots, a small can of tomato paste, some yellow onion, some small Yukon Gold potatoes, this browning and seasonings, some W sauce, garlic, beef onion recipe soup mix, and that's all for now. The full recipe and directions will be listed in the description box below. I'm starting off by, rinsing off my meat and patting it dry, and now I'm going to cut it into bite-sized chunks, removing the fat wherever I can. I placed my cubed beef in a bowl, and now it's time to season my meat. I'm using black pepper, Lowry seasoned salt, paprika, salt, and a little bit of garlic powder. Mix well and add more seasoning if needed. Next, I'm going to coat my meat with a little bit of all-purpose flour. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and now I'm going to brown my meat. So I'm removing my first batch of beef and placing it in my Crockpot bowl and on to the second batch. Two pats of butter, about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, and now I want to saute these onions along with some garlic. So now it's time to add the majority of my ingredients to my pot and put it on low for 8 hours. That's right, this is an overnight meal. So I'll be back in the morning to finish my beef stew. A quick stir and a quick taste testing. Now is the time to adjust my seasonings for my refined palate. And that's what I'm doing right here. Yeah, what I put in there, it's no secret seasoning. You know it will be listed down in the description box below for my Priceless Family. So next, I'm using a combination of cold water, equal parts of cold water and cornstarch, because you know cornstarch is a natural thickening agent, and it's just to tighten up my stew. Y'all see how many times I'm giving this a taste test? You know it's already good. But anyway, so I'm adding in my slurry. A quick little stir. And last up, I'm adding in some frozen vegetables. Now, I thought I just had some peas by itself. I couldn't find it in the freezer. So whatever I could find, that's what I'm putting in here, which are carrots, corn, and string beans.
A shout of praise. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up.
So this is just 2 boxes of Jiffy corn mix, and I just added some sour cream and some vanilla just to punch it up a little.
To the south, let a shout of praise. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout.
I'm just trying to cut this cornbread and plate this meal, and Mom's in the background saying, "Hurry up, I'm ready to eat." So I have to hurry up. Mom's ready to eat.
Let the anthem rise up. Let the song ring out. Let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Let the anthem rise up. Let the song ring out. And let the ground now tremble as we raise a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout. We lift up a shout. Oh, there's only one name. We lift up a shout. Lift up a shout. Oh, together we sing. We lift up a shout.
If you enjoy cooking videos like this one, then make sure to check out my playlist. That's right, I'm sure you will enjoy those videos as well. So did you give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below? Well, I thank you so much for that. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.